Hello, today I'm going to talk about Black Radiance eyeliner. Black Radiance is a small makeup brand that carries a variety of different cosmetics. One thing that they're known for, however, is their line of eyeliners. They have a very extensive line of different eyeliners in multiple different shades. You have pens, you have felt tip brushes, you have liquid eyeliners in a tube, you have pencil eyeliners. It's a really wide variety. This particular one is the black eyeliner pen. This is the one that I use. I love it. It's a really great product. The formula is really good. The color is good. The payoff is good. And it's a lot smaller than eyeliner pencils that I have. It doesn't pack as much product, but I definitely think that it's worth it. Or it's at least worth a try. So I'm going to talk a little bit about it today, and maybe you decide that you want to give it a try if you're looking for a new eyeliner, because I definitely recommend it. It's a really great product. So you see it comes in a pen like this. I have a regular ink pen that I'm going to compare it to, and as you can see, it's definitely significantly smaller than the ink pen. Even around, you can see that the eyeliner pen is a lot thinner. It's a really good size to carry with you. If you feel like you need to touch your eyeliner up throughout the day, you can always just put it in your purse. You'll never know that it's there. It's not heavy. This is a hard plastic container, like the actual applicator of the pen, which is good because it's going to keep the product safe. The liquid inside is not going to come out. You can't break this. It's hard plastic, so it's not going to break. It's not like a bottle that can crack or that can come open. The product stays in here and it stays pretty secure. As you can see, Black Radiance has its black and gold deco here. It is coming off a little bit. I actually haven't had this particular pen for that long, but the deco was a little bit cheap. But as you can see, I can kind of scratch that off with my nail. No big deal because the product is really great, so I don't really mind that. Also, it is waterproof, which is a great asset for an eyeliner. You don't want it to run down your face if you're crying, if you're in the rain, if you're sweating. This is great. Also, I know that there's a huge debate about eyeliners that stay on the waterline. That is going to be just along your bottom eyelid. I have used this and I will say that this actually does the trick. I put it on my bottom eyelid in the morning and it's just starting to smudge at the end of the day. Obviously, right now, it's going to smudge a little bit more because it's summer and it's hot out. So that actually significantly contributes to how well it stays on your eye. But I'm pretty sure that in the winter when it's not as hot and I'm not sweating and there's not enough, like a lot of moisture on my eye area, that this is actually going to do really well. So what you do is you pop the cap off like this, and you can see it's a fine point felt tip, which is great. Now this is the kind of point that you're going to want to use to do a cat eye or to line that bottom eyelid. This is perfect. This kind of a point is good for those who aren't great with eyeliner. I know how much a hassle it is to start applying your eyeliner and then having to redo it because you either mess up a little bit or you bring the line out too far. This kind of a point is good for beginners. You can hold the pen really well in your hand and you can just get a really good line. You can do it sharp, you can do your cat eye. This is actually perfect for that. So I love this pen because of that, because these are actually hard to find in that good of a point. Let me just make sure that you can see it. So yeah, it's felt tip. Now all the product stays very well in this point. It's not going to leak. If you press it too hard, it's not going to all come out. That's another thing that I love about it, because it holds the product really well. It's mess free. Unlike the eyeliners that come in a little bottle where you have to screw off the cap and the wiper is a part of the cap, you are constantly wiping the product off around the rim of the bottle. You're wasting a lot of product that way. With a pen, and I know that everyone doesn't prefer these, which is fine. It's all about what you prefer. But in my opinion, a pen is actually a lot better. It's more efficient. You can get a cleaner line. You don't waste as much product, and they last a lot longer. Especially with the cap like this, it's not going to dry out, so you don't have to worry about it drying. That's definitely a pro for me. I'm going to do a little bit of a swatch. So what I do in the morning, I just do a really light line. And as you can see, the payoff is really good. It's nice and dark. It gives a really nice high gloss shine, which I like. It doesn't look too matte or too over drying. and that's a pretty clean line. I mean, you can see the point does bend a little bit, but again, I'm swatching on my arm and not my eyelid. But you can see that it doesn't squeeze out a lot of the product. It only applies what I'm applying, and I don't have to bear down that hard. I'm not pressing down hard at all. And this is the line that it gives me after a swipe or two over. So that's really good. Again, don't be concerned that the tip is bending. It's really not that big of a deal. It's going to do that. But again, I was going against it, and I'm doing it on my arm, which the skin is not as soft as it is on your eyelid. Obviously, it's a little bit more delicate. But this is great. It's definitely really dark. It's true black. You don't see any skin underneath that, which is perfect. It's a really, really great formula. It doesn't have a smell. It doesn't have a scent. It's odorless. You don't want to use something that's scented on your eye because your eye is a sensitive area. So that's definitely not something that, you know, you want to do. And now I'm rubbing it. Let me just show you. I'm rubbing it, and it's barely smudging. It's smudging a little bit because it's still wet, but after it dries, you can see that nothing's coming off. It stays there. And I've actually rubbed my eye throughout the day, just a little bit, and then obviously I realized that the eyeliner was there, and it still stayed put. It was still intact. I didn't smudge it all over my face. So I really, really love this product. So for those of you who are looking for a better eyeliner and an alternative for the one that comes in a little bottle, definitely try a pen. It stays better than a pencil does. You don't waste as much product as you do with a bottle. You can hold it really well, and that felt tip point is ideal for the perfect look. So if you're gonna try an eyeliner, definitely want to try something like this. I love it. I've used it for a long time. It's highly recommended.